Hi there. Recently I was heating my oven and suddenly the power went down as if something went wrong in the fuse box of my house. So even the display was completely off and it just seemed to break down completely, even though it's been only about 2 years old now, but just out of warranty, unfortunately. Even though in Holland I found out that I could have tried to get the warranty because we have consumer rights to be having a more extended warranty. So check out the link in the comments for that. I ended up trying to solve this problem myself. I went to the YouTube video that was very helpful, and this person suggested it might have something to do with the thermal fuses. So I checked those, but those were still okay. But fortunately, the person in the video also showed how he was measuring the first inlets. So he was measuring the main inlets, and then he was also showing the inlets after the noise reduction units. So the power is going in here, it's going through here, and it's going out here. I was measuring 230 volts, which is standard here in the Netherlands, going from here to here, obviously. And then suddenly here it was only 30 volts. While in his video it was about 220 volts. So that was a sign that something was wrong in this component. So I ended up buying a new one. This is the old one. And it shows, if you look carefully, it shows a crack here. So this component must have been damaged during logistics probably. So it's mounted like this, and probably some kind of a kick of movement towards this made it break. It still functioned okay for 2 years, but it could have caused a fire. So it's quite a serious design problem because this component is open here behind the metal frame. So if you have this problem too, have a look at this, measure if there's like 230 volts going in. If it's no 230 going out, but way less, this might be damaged too. Check it out. I was able to buy replacement components for about 30 euros here in Holland. I'll put the links in the description. So this shows the old module with the breaking point in there. This shows the new module, which is brand new and looks way better and doesn't have this problem. So fortunately for me, the problem is solved and I can continue using my oven.